Educators everywhere will tell you that children learn best when they're having fun, and that is the idea behind a new summer camp that gets kids all involved in science. Now, one of those camps is being offered in Klein, Alabama. That's in Shelby County, just outside Birmingham, about 50 miles or so. With us this morning, we have the Director of Curriculum Development for Science Adventures. Andy Allen joins us live from New York, along with a helper this morning. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Now, Andy, I know you are the science whiz, and you have an experiment you're going to help me with, and I know I'm going to need your help to pull it off right. So what do I do?
Yeah.
This is disappearing water?
Yeah, no, we're actually going to start off with a nice color change experiment, and my assistant's going to help me. We have 3 chemicals here. They're all clear, and what we're going to do is hopefully with the science magic my assistant brings to the table, we're actually going to change it into a nice blue. So I want you to go ahead, take the first chemical, you're going to pour that in, and I want you to think blue thoughts. Nice job. Now obviously we need another chemical to make anything happen because it's a chemical reaction we're looking for. So you're going to pour in the second one, think blue. Apparently you're not thinking blue enough thoughts, so what we're going to do is we're going to add the final one right here, and we'll see if we can actually get a color change. And as you see, you've actually turned it a nice yellow. That's not quite blue. I really need you to think about blue. If you think about blue hard enough, you're going to actually find that in 3, 2, 1, the chemical will actually go a nice shade of blue. Good job.
Wow. Good job, guys.
Now, if we keep going in just a second, it'll actually go back to yellow because it can't kind of make its mind up. This is an oscillating reaction that will actually go from yellow to blue and back again over and over again because it finds it really hard to make up its mind. And it's going to go, it gets that deep yellow color, and there you go. Good job. Nice chemical reaction that actually goes from yellow to blue and back again. And we use it to engage children and start thinking about chemical reactions and about some of the chemical reactions that are in their lives.
Well, Andy, before we run out of time, I do want to see if you'll help me with my experiment, will you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Can I do this? I'm going to do the disappearing water. I've got about 2 tablespoons of this white stuff in here and some water. Put about, what, 5 tablespoons?
No, you want about 2 tablespoons is fine, and you want to go ahead and just put it in the paper cup.
Okay, I got it.
And what we're actually going to do here is we're going to add some water, just regular tap water.
Mine's already disappeared.
Regular tap water. Did you pour the water in?
I did.
And now if you turn the cup over, you'll find the water's gone.
You sure?
Yep.
It's not going to spill?
Nope.
Oh, just a little bit, but that was me because I don't think I mixed my water. It is a pretty solid mess in there. Now, how does this help the kids who go to these camps really learn?
Well, basically, you know, Science Adventure is about making science fun, it's about making it relevant, and it's about having the kids actually roll up their sleeves and do science. The polymer that you just made, this is actually the secret ingredient they put in diapers. And so we talk about chemistry and how it's used in our lives to make our lives a little better.
So applying it to something that they can kind of understand.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, we don't force it on the children because they need to learn it. We give the children the opportunity because they want to learn. They have these questions, and we're just providing experiments that explain the things they see in their lives.
All right, Andy, very briefly, anything you would tell parents who are interested in getting their kids more interested in science? Yeah,
absolutely. You can go to scienceadventures.com, and we have experiments up there that you can actually do with just household items that you'd find at a supermarket, and there's stuff there that they can share with their children.
All right, thank you, Andy. And you can also go to that website to find out more about the science camp being offered right here in Alabama. Thank you both so much.
Thank you.
Stay tuned. We have more to come here on Talk of Alabama.